Hi, it's HardReset and today I'm gonna show you how to enable your GARMIN Dash Cam X210. So to enable it, just plug your cable to your camera and the other end you can plug to your PC or intended to plug to your car by plug it in here and this end to your car. I don't have car right now, so I plug it to my PC just to show you that. Oh yeah, it's starting. Now choose your local and language. Now wait, and that's it. Your camera is now recording. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.